While the world rushes toward electric cars, Elon Musk has dropped another bombshell announcement that has shaken the entire EV market. Tesla is preparing to launch a brand new motor in 2026, and according to Musk, it's going to reset the industry. But what makes this motor so special that it's sending shockwaves through every major car company? Musk says this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The focus will no longer be just on range or battery size. It's about a new kind of technology, one that could change the future of transportation forever. Leaked reports suggest Tesla's new motor will be lighter, more efficient, and so powerful that vehicles using it could be up to 40% faster and cheaper than current models. But the real secret lies inside a completely reimagined design that could even rival traditional petrol and diesel engines. Could this be the move that helps Tesla reclaim total dominance? And what does it mean for the rest of the EV world? Stay until the end, because what follows will leave you questioning everything you know about electric vehicles. A decade ago, the idea of electric cars made people laugh. It was the age of gasoline and diesel. And battery cars sounded like science fiction. Then came Elon Musk, a man who not only challenged this belief, but flipped the entire automobile industry upside down. When other companies chased engine noise and horsepower, Musk declared, "The cars of the future won't make noise, they'll just move." That vision became the foundation of Tesla by 2024. Tesla had sold over 1.8 million vehicles worldwide, holding around 18% of the global EV market, meaning nearly 1 in 5 electric cars is a Tesla. The secret wasn't just great cars, it was trust, technology, and innovation. Tesla's self-driving software, ultra-efficient 4,680 batteries, and ever-improving range up to 800 kilometers per charge have kept it years ahead of its competition, and Musk isn't stopping. His next mission to make Tesla affordable for everyone with cars priced like gasoline vehicles by 2026. So, what's inside this so-called beast? Tesla designed this new motor from scratch. Every component, every wire has been re-engineered for maximum power, minimum weight, and unmatched efficiency. Lightweight composite frame. Instead of heavy metal, Tesla used an advanced composite material that's both stronger and lighter, cutting motor weight and boosting performance by 15%. High torque output system. The motor now delivers more power with less energy. That means faster acceleration, smoother control, and longer range. Thermal miracle heat is the biggest enemy of EV motors. Tesla's new liquid cooling channels manage temperature at the microlevel, cutting heat generation by 30%. AI-optimized efficiency. Built-in AI sensors monitor speed, friction, and magnetic fields self-adjusting in real time for peak performance and durability. And the best part, it's 25% cheaper to manufacture. Here's where Tesla breaks every rule in the book. Most electric motors rely on rare earth metals like neodymium and dysprosium materials, mostly sourced from China. They're expensive, environmentally destructive, and create massive supply chain risks. Tesla's new motor uses magnets, a custom magnetic alloy that eliminates these metals entirely. That means no environmental damage from mining, 25% lower production cost, complete supply chain independence. No other car company has achieved this at scale. With this single step, Tesla may have just solved one of the EV industry's biggest challenges: performance, power, speed, and efficiency. The new next-gen drive unit is 20% more efficient and 30% cheaper than Tesla's current motors. It converts more electricity into motion, meaning less energy wasted as heat and more power to the wheels. The result? Faster acceleration, longer range, up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. Smoother regenerative braking that recycles more energy back into the battery, and thanks to advanced cooling, it can sustain high performance for longer without overheating. The global impact: why rivals are worried if Tesla can mass-produce this motor. The game changes overnight. Companies like BYD, Toyota, Hyundai, Ford, and GM will need to completely rethink their strategies. BYD's battery advantage could fade if Tesla achieves better efficiency on the motor side. Toyota's hybrid dominance will face pressure as EVs become cheaper and more efficient. Hyundai and Kia's 800-volt systems will need to evolve to compete with Tesla's cost-to-range ratio. Ford and GM, already adopting Tesla's charging standard, might soon have to match its motor tech too. This isn't competition, it's a reset. Master Plan 2026. The big picture, Elon Musk's master plan has always been clear. Prove electric cars can be exciting, make them mainstream, and now make them unbeatable. By 2026, Tesla's new next-gen drive unit will power the Model 2, the updated Model 3, and even the Each motor will be built in Tesla's new Gigafactory in Mexico, where robots will produce one motor every 45 seconds. Musk's goal: to build cars for ordinary people, not just the rich. The upcoming Model 2, priced around $25,000, could become the world's first truly affordable electric car and the biggest milestone in Tesla's history. The future of EVs: a cleaner, faster world. This motor won't just change Tesla, it will change the planet. A 20 to 25% increase in motor efficiency means each Tesla will consume less electricity, lowering grid demand and cutting emissions. If millions of these motors hit the roads, experts estimate a reduction of 30 to 40 million tons of CO per year, the equivalent of erasing the annual emissions of a small country. In the next decade, the real race won't be about horsepower or luxury, it'll be about efficiency. Which car can go farther, faster, using the least energy? And once again, Tesla is already miles ahead. So is this Elon Musk's ultimate masterstroke. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of mobility. Asterisk: when most people think of Tesla, they think cars. But Elon Musk never saw Tesla as just an automaker. He saw it as a technology and energy company. While competitors focus on engines and designs, Tesla's real strength lies in its ecosystem, an interconnected network of vehicles, batteries, solar power, and software. Projects like the Powerwall, Megapack, and Solar Roof are proof that Tesla's ambition goes beyond transportation. Musk's goal is simple: to make the world's energy sustainable, generation to consumption. Now, with the new motor joining this ecosystem, Tesla isn't just selling cars. It's creating a complete energy loop, where every Tesla vehicle, home and factory, operates on clean, efficient power. Tesla's innovation doesn't stop at product design. It extends to how those products are made. Inside, Tesla's in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and soon Mexico, every detail of the production line has been redesigned for automation and scale. The new Gigafactory in Mexico will feature fully automated motor assembly lines, capable of producing a motor every 45 seconds. Every second counts, literally. The faster Tesla can build, the cheaper each car becomes. This is how Musk plans to break the final barrier in the EV industry: cost. The combination of automated manufacturing, lightweight materials, and rare earth-free technology means Tesla could slash overall vehicle prices by 25 to 30%, without sacrificing performance. That's the kind of math that can wipe out competitors overnight. At the center of Tesla's 2026 revolution lies one car, the Tesla Model 2. Compact, efficient, and designed for mass adoption. The Model 2 isn't just another EV, it's the symbol of Musk's vision to put a Tesla in every driveway. The target price, $25,000, a number once considered impossible for an advanced electric vehicle. This car will run on the new motor, combined with Tesla's next-gen battery technology, giving it unmatched range for its price. If Tesla delivers on this promise, the Model 2 could become the best-selling car in the world, electric or not. And that's where the real industry reset begins. The unveiling of this motor has already sent shockwaves through the global automotive industry. In China, BYD, currently Tesla's biggest rival, will face pressure to innovate faster. Its LFP blade batteries are efficient. But if Tesla can achieve similar range with fewer cells, BYD's cost advantage may vanish. In Japan, Toyota's hybrid supremacy could fade. If pure EVs become cheaper and more efficient, hybrids may no longer make economic sense. In South Korea, Hyundai and Kia's 800 volts platforms, praised for fast charging, will need to go further, optimizing every watt to compete with Tesla's efficiency. In the US, Ford and GM will be forced to rethink everything from truck manufacturing to EV software ecosystems. The new Tesla motor doesn't just outperform rivals, it changes the rules of the game. The implications go far beyond the car industry. By removing rare earth metals from production, Tesla has taken a massive step toward sustainable manufacturing. Mining for neodymium and dysprosium has caused widespread pollution in China and Africa. Now, Tesla's innovation could drastically reduce this damage. Add to that the increased energy efficiency, around 20 to 25% improvement, and the result is monumental. Lower electricity consumption per vehicle, less pressure on power grids, fewer fossil fuels used in energy generation. Experts estimate that by 2035, if Tesla and other companies adopt this technology, global carbon emissions could drop by 30 to 40 million tons annually, roughly equivalent to removing 8 million gas cars from the roads every year. This isn't just an engineering breakthrough, it's a climate milestone. But now Tesla is no longer afraid of this crisis because its motors no longer require these metals. This means Tesla can easily source its materials from anywhere in the world without any political or economic pressure. Many experts believe that this is the technology that will take the EV industry to the next level. Musk himself said, "Our goal is not just to make cars, but to make products that are good for the Earth." And Tesla's rare earth-free magnet is the biggest step in that direction. It will not only make cars affordable and durable, but also show the world that sustainable innovation can be a reality, not just a dream. While other companies still rely on rare metals, Tesla has already distanced itself from them. This means that in the future, Tesla will neither face supply concerns, nor cost concerns, nor environmental criticism, power, speed, and efficiency. New performance story. Now let's talk about the performance of Tesla's new motor, which has astonished auto experts worldwide. The motor Elon Musk mentioned is being called a next-generation drive unit. And Tesla claims that this motor is 20% more efficient and 30% cheaper than the previous model. This efficiency will directly impact the speed and range of Tesla cars. But this isn't magic, but the result of new engineering. Tesla has made several improvements to the motor design this time around. First, it features a new electromagnetic layout that better controls power usage. Previously, some energy in the motor was wasted as heat, but this new design has significantly reduced energy loss. This is why the motor now produces more torque with less power, making the car faster. Speaking of speed, the Tesla Model S Plaid already accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers, in just over 2 seconds. Still one of the fastest electric sedans in the world. Tesla will use the new motor in its upcoming next platform, which will power the Model 2 or compact EV. This motor will be lighter, cheaper, and more efficient, meaning improved acceleration and energy savings. Now, let's talk about range. Tesla has clearly stated that the new motor and battery system will combine to increase the range of upcoming models. Currently, the Model 3 and Model Y have a range of approximately 5,600 kilometers. However, with the next generation motor, Tesla estimates that this range could reach approximately 7,800 km without increasing the battery size. This is due to improved power conversion, meaning the motor now uses electricity more efficiently, delivering greater value from each unit of energy. The regenerative braking system in Tesla's motor has also been further advanced. When the driver brakes, the motor sends that energy back to the battery. Previously, this system returned approximately 70% of the energy, but now it has been made smoother to make the braking experience feel natural and also to slightly aid charging. This same technology further increases Tesla's efficiency as a small amount of electricity is returned to the battery each time the brakes are applied. The motor's strength isn't just in power or speed, it's now more reliable than ever. Tesla has incorporated an advanced cooling system to prevent the motor from overheating, even over long distances. This system controls temperature at the micro level, ensuring consistent performance. Global impact. Why are other EV brands afraid? The biggest concern about Tesla's new motor is that if it truly achieves a more efficient, affordable, and rare earth-free design and is mass-produced, it could change the entire industry's math, meaning every company will have to rethink its pricing, range, and production strategy. The impact will be felt first where margins are thin and scale is the key. BYD currently holds a significant advantage in battery and cost control. Its Blade Battery LFP is a strong force, offering safety, long life, and low cost. But BYD's advantage lies on the battery side. If Tesla can reduce power loss on the motor side and achieve the same range with fewer batteries, the car could become lighter and cheaper. This will force BYD to either demonstrate significant improvements in its motor, torque inverter, or adopt more aggressive pricing, which will pressure margins. BYD is also playing cards like hybrid DMI and sodium-ion. But Tesla's motor efficiency and software combination could pose its strongest challenge. Toyota has focused on hybrids for years: reliable, economical, and low fuel-burning drives. New hybrid engines are highly efficient, but they're not full EV. If Tesla's new motor improves both the cost and range of EV, the value proposition of pure electrics will become even stronger. This means Toyota will either have to rapidly advance its EV motor charge inverter platform or offer hybrids with more economy and excellent mileage so that customers say cheaper than an EV and better for everyday use. In the long run, Toyota is betting on battery technologies like solid-state batteries. Tesla's motor age will also increase pressure on it to accelerate its EV timeline. The eGMP platform, Ioniq 56 EV6, features 800 volts fast charging, robust packaging, and design. If Tesla's new motor makes the car lighter and more efficient, Hyundai and Kia will need to further optimize their motor inverter and thermal management to maintain their 800 volts charging and ride aux range balance. They already have good value for money setups. The challenge will be to ensure prices match Tesla's new cost benchmark. Ford and GM both have adopted Tesla's charging connector needs in the US, showing that Tesla's ecosystem is already becoming the standard. If the motor also sets the benchmark in cost efficiency, Ford F-150 Lightning, Mustang Mach-E, and GM Ultium platform will need to further accelerate their BOM costs, drive unit efficiency, and software update speed, especially in the fleet of truck segment, where every percentage point of efficiency makes a significant difference in operating costs. Tesla's improved drive unit could directly reduce TCO total cost of ownership, challenging Ford GM's core market strength. Tesla's rare earth-free magnetic approach avoids supply risks and price spikes. Brands still relying on rare earth magnets will need to quickly adopt alternative materials, charred designs, or else cost and supply shocks will impact their pricing. Tesla's motor-first approach opens the way to extract range performance without increasing battery size. This will force BYD's cost edge, Toyota's hybrid edge, Hyundai Kia's 800 volts edge, and Ford GM's truck edge to adapt to the new benchmark. Tesla's Master Plan 2026 vision to reset the industry. Elon Musk's vision has always been simple and clear: to take the EV revolution to the next level. This means not just making electric vehicles, but transforming the entire global automobile industry. Looking back a bit, Tesla has delivered 3 major master plans so far. First, to show the world that electric cars aren't boring. Second, to bring them into mass production. And now, third and most important, to make EVs so affordable and efficient that no petrol or diesel car can compete with them. This is the true meaning of reset the industry. Elon Musk says that in the coming 2 years, Tesla's focus will be on efficiency and affordability, he stated at the March 2023 Investor Day meeting. The next generation of Tesla will be built at half the cost and twice the efficiency. This means that Tesla is now developing motors and platforms that will not only be low cost, but also extremely cheap to operate. This motor will form the backbone of Tesla's new lineup launching in 2026. Tesla's new motor platform is called the Next Gen Drive Unit. This is the same motor that will power the upcoming Tesla Model 2, the new version of the Model 3, and the updated version of the Cybertruck. The motor's design is such that it doesn't require expensive rare earth metals or a large number of parts. This means Tesla will now be able to mass-produce cars, reducing the price of each model by 25 to 30%. Elon Musk himself said, "If we want to change the world, we must make cars for ordinary people, not for the rich." The Tesla Model 2 is the most talked about because it will be priced around $25,000. Musk's dream is to make it the world's cheapest, best-selling electric car. And this is only possible if costs are reduced across the motor, battery, and production. And this is Tesla's master plan that is going to be realized in 2026. Speaking of the Cybertruck, it symbolizes Tesla's future identity. The motor being installed in it is the same new efficient drive unit that will deliver more power with less electricity. This will give the Cybertruck a longer range and better towing capacity despite its heavier weight. The Model 3 and Model Y will come with a lighter version of this motor, which will improve both their range